Hi. Today I want to talk to you about the launch of remote audit feature in Audit 360. As you would have experienced, 40 to 60% of an internal audit team's time goes into repetitive operational work. Audit 360 digitalizes these manual operational tasks, saving 60 to 70% of the effort. This is a huge saving. Many of our clients are already experiencing this. Today, we are taking this digital experience to a whole new level by bringing in remote audits in Audit 360. One of the key challenges during the pandemic period for many of the internal audit teams was that the ability of internal auditors to travel was restricted. As a result, many of the organizations had to cut down on the audit activities, or some places they had to suspend. Some businesses had explored ad hoc video calling tools to get into remote auditing. Though this was a good beginning, the long-term viability of these methods were questionable from the very beginning due to the security issues associated with it. Processing of loads of videos itself became a great nuisance for the internal audit teams. This is where Audit 360's remote audit feature comes in. With Audit 360's remote audits, you can do voice calls, video calls, and text chat from within the Audit 360 application itself. You can even do a conference call to collaborate. During the video call, audio call, or the chat with the auditee, you can digitally capture the responses against the audit checklist in the audit execution mode. This way, you can finish the audit in one shot. Remote audits is not only to tide over the challenges that are posed by the pandemic, it also helps long-term strategic operations of the internal audit teams. If you see from audit strategy perspective, remote audit can help in so many ways. What is your new audit strategy? For most of the organizations, understandably, it is to reduce the budget in internal audits. With remote audits, you can achieve exactly that. You can bring in a mix and match of remote and field audits. Auditee entities who are faring well in audits may be pushed to a remote audit, and then you can resort to field audit where the risk is on the higher side. Is your other strategy to be able to do agile audits? You can achieve that also through remote audits. There may be a need to audit an entity which has come up immediately where you don't have the time to travel. Resort to remote audits. You can achieve that with ease. Is your other strategy to increase your number of auditees? Bring in outsourced agencies or vendors also into the scope of audit. You can achieve that easily with remote audits. You may not need to visit all of these places. You would be able to audit your vendors, your outsourced partners, all through remote audits. To get started with your remote audits journey, connect with us today. I would say it is time to do audits faster and better. And Audit 360 can help you lead this change.